How to reset MX Player settings and restore the app to its default configuration. If you've changed any playback, subtitle, audio, or gesture settings and want to start fresh, this is the quickest way to do it. First, open the MX Player app on your phone. Once the app opens, tap on the Me or Profile option located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on Settings to open the app settings menu. Here, you'll see several options. Tap on General to continue. Now, scroll down until you find the Reset Settings option. Tap on it, and a confirmation message will appear. Simply tap OK to confirm. Again, tap on OK. That's it. MX Player will instantly restore all of its settings to the default values. This can help fix issues caused by incorrect settings or remove any customizations you've made over time. Keep in mind that only the app settings will be reset. Your videos and media files won't be deleted. If you ever experience playback issues or simply want to start with the default configuration, you can follow these same steps anytime. And that's all for this tutorial. If this video helped you reset your MX Player settings, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.